Welcome to our instructional video on how to put together the Vive Stand Assist. We understand that sometimes manuals can be confusing, and that's why we've created this video to guide you through the process step by step. But before we can get started, we recommend that you have the manual on hand for reference. You can find the manual either in the product packaging or on our website. To start, take both of the base posts, B, and place them into each side of the base. Take left seat arm C and place it into the top of the left base post so that the black seat pad is toward the rear of the device. This is the side of the base where the wheels are closer together. Make sure the seat pad is facing inward as the picture shows below. Pull the lock ring out to move forward the pad up and down accordingly to make sure the position is correct as it is seen in the image. Now repeat this step on the opposite side for right seat arm D. Place the two round crossbars E into the two sets of openings. Secure the two round crossbars E down with the 4 small screws, part J, using the Allen key, M. Use small bolt F to secure on both right and left seat arms, C and D, to the base posts, B. Place the bolt in through both pieces from the inside so that the bolt head sits flush, fits into the square shape, and protrudes through the outside of the device. On the outside of the device, where the bolt is now sticking through, add the first flat washer, G, then the locking washer, H, and finally the bolt nut, I, and secure it using the hex wrench, L. Use small bolt F to secure down both base posts, B, to the base, A. Place the bolt in through both pieces from the outside so the bolt head sits flush, fits into the square shape, and protrudes through the inside of the device. On the inside of the device where the bolt is now sticking through, add first the flat washer G, then the locking washer H, and finally the bolt nut I, and secure it using the hex wrench L. Next, you will want to add the two knee rests N to the knee rest bar O. First, place one of the knee rests into the oval-shaped hole on the knee rest bar. Then, thread first a flat washer and then a locking washer onto the large bolt K, and place it through the rear hole of the knee rest bar and begin threading it through the bar into the female thread on the knee rest. Use the hex wrench to securely and firmly tighten down. Repeat this step for the second knee rest. Note, you will notice the knee rests are slightly curved on one end. Just make sure the curved side of the knee rests are both facing in the same direction. For starters, have at least 2 small bolts within reach. Stand at the rear of the device where the two wheels are closer together and hold the bar with both hands so that the pads are facing you, but with the curved end of the pad facing down as well. Hold the knee rest bar in the middle of the frame, placing it just above where the base post, B, start to bend. Work the knee rest bar down to the holes on the sides and line them up as best you can to prepare for the bolt insertion. Place a bolt on each side, from inside the device protruding to the outside to hold the knee rest bar to make the rest of the process easier. Place all 4 small bolts in the hole provided, making sure they all sit flush, and the square part of the bolt fits the square shape of the hole, and the bolt end protrudes to the outside of the device. Secure all 4 bolts using flat washer G, then the locking washer H, and finally the bolt nut I, and secure it using the hex wrench L. And there you have it! Please let us know if this was helpful for you assembling your new Stand Assist. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer service.